Today on Mike's Handy Guys, we're making a breakfast patty melt with onions and cheese, and we're going to use our 12-inch large cast iron skillet to do it. So let's get started. Set your burner to medium, put a bit of oil in the pan, and let that warm up just a little bit. Okay, let's add our burger to the pan. Just like that. Maybe we'll put it up here a little bit. And we'll add some onions to the pan. This is about half an onion, so if you use that whole bowl, so we'll just use it like a quarter onion, maybe 2 slices chopped up. You know, that ought to do it. It's probably too much, but we'll see. Alright, now we just cover that and let that cook a little bit, maybe a couple minutes till it's time to flip. And we'll start building our breakfast patty melt. Okay, let's check our onions. See how they're doing. Definitely doing good. Got to caramelize them a little bit. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get our onions to one side there. And our burger to one side. And we're going to clean our pan up here a little bit and lower our heat to medium-low. Make sure our pan is clean, and we'll wipe that out. All we got to do is wipe it out a little bit. Okay, that's not bad. Alright, good. Okay, let's put our bread in here, just like that, and we're going to use these egg rings again, so we'll give them little spritz, and we'll put them in the middle of the bread there, push down a little bit, okay, and we'll get the other one. Give them a little spritz. Alright, and we'll put that in the middle here. About like that, that'll be good. And we'll push down a little. And now, we're going to crack 2 eggs in there. There's one. There's 2. Now you can break them up if you want. And I'm going to break them lightly. Just like that. We'll break them up a little bit. There you go. Alright, that's good. Okay, that's good. Now we'll just cover that and let that cook a little bit, maybe 3 minutes, and it should be about ready to assemble our breakfast patty melt with onions and cheese. That sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, let's give them a check and see if we can get those egg rings out of there. Not too bad. Let's see if we can get this one out. Not too bad. Okay. Now we'll just pull that back in a little. That'll be alright. Cover that and let that cook a little bit. Maybe another minute, minute and a half. Okay, let's give them a check. See how our eggs are doing. Okay, they're good. Alright, now we can put our patty on top. I might be able to trim this off a little bit back here. And we'll just add it to this one. That's not bad. Alright, now we just add our cheese. and put some of our onions on top. Just like that. Yeah, I always make too many onions. But that's alright. Now all we got to do is put our top on. Just like that. Yep. And we're losing some of our onions, but that's alright. Skid this over a little. Get him in the middle. Push down on him a little. And we're going to cover that and let that cheese melt a little bit. Maybe a minute. Okay, let's get ready to plate that up. The cheese looks like it's melted, so let's get it. There's our sandwich. You see that cheese all melted in there? Oh yeah, it's good. Yep. Alright. Alright, let's get into that. Okay, there you go. A breakfast patty melt with onions and cheese. Yeah, we just gotta have a little bite. Oh, is that ever good? Take a look at that. You see that? Man, is that tasty. You're gonna love this one. Yep. You know what? We're not gonna forget these onions over here. We're gonna put them right up here. Them caramelized onions. Oh yeah. Definitely not forgetting them. They're tasty too. Well, there you have it, folks. A breakfast patty melt with onions and cheese. You can't beat that right there. Man, is that tasty. You know what? I did lose my coffee again. Where does that cup go? I don't know.